श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। ओम निधाय हृदि विश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवंदनं बालानां सुखबोधाय क्रियते तर्कसंग्रहः। साध्यतावच्छेदक संबंधावच्छिन्न साध्यतावच्छेदक इतर धर्माणवच्छिन्न साध्यतावच्छेदक अवच्छिन्न प्रतियोगिताक அதுக்கப்புறம் அதிகரண நிரூபித விருத்தித்வ அபாவம். இந்த மாதிரி மூணு பாகமா நாம் பார்த்தோம். இப்போ சாத்திய பாவம், அப்புறம் அதிகரண நிரூபித, அடுத்தது விருத்தித்வ பாவம். Oh. So we have seen this in three situations: sadhya bhava, adhikarana nirupita, and vrittitva bhava. The same definition in three parts. Okay, so for sadhya bhava we have added additional adjectives so that there is no ativyapti or avyapti dosha. So sadhya bhava is for sadhya bhava we have added sadhyata avachedaka avachinna sadhyata avachedaka itara dharmana avachinna sadhyata avachedaka sambandha avachinna. Three things: sadhyavata avachedaka sambandha avachinna sadhyata avachedaka itara dharmana avachinna sadhyata avachedaka avachinna. We have come to this. Now adhikarana nirupita, we have to take care of adhikarana nirupita because every definition has three parts: sadhya, sambandha, sadhana, or we can say visheshya, sambandha, prakara. So we have taken care of the visheshya aspect or sadhya aspect. Now the sambandha, adhikarana nirupita is the sambandha. For that we have to take care of the adivyapti or avyapti dosha. So in this stage we are doing this. There is this avyapya vritti. There is this thing called avyapya vritti, right here itself. Avyapya vritti. First understand what vyapya vritti is. Vyapya vritti means vyapya vartate. If it is completely engulfing something, then it is called as vyapya vritti. You have ghata. In that ghatatva exists where? In top portion or in the bottom portion? Ghatatva exists in the complete ghata. Ghatam vyapya vartate ghatatvam. So vyapya vritti, ghatatva in ghata is vyapya vritti. Ghatatva in ghata is vyapya vritti. Avyapya vritti means, see, we have a tree. On that branch of the tree there is a monkey. Monkey exists on the branch and not in the root. Kapi sanyoga shakavachedena asti vriksha shakavachedena asti vriksha moolavachedena nasti. Vriksha shakavachedena asti vriksha moolavachedena nasti. So like we had it for sadhya bhava sadhya, we have to do parishkarana for sambandha adhikarana nirupita. So in this avyapya sthala, places where it is avyapya vritti, you have this defect. What is the defect? We will see with the hetu. We have this sadhetu. Sadhetu. एतद् वृक्षः एतद् वृक्ष कपि संयोगी एतद् वृक्ष कपि संयोगी एतद् वृक्षत्वात् एतद् वृक्ष this tree kapi sanyogi has a association with a kapi monkey etad vrikshatva because it is this tree. We are talking about this tree. Now here sadhya is a shakha kapi sanyoga. Shaka kapi sanyoga is sadhya. Sadhya abhava is shaka kapi sanyoga abhava or moola kapi sanyoga abhava. Moola kapi sanyoga. Shaka abhava moola kapi sanyoga. Because we are talking about abhava only. Sadhya abhava. Moola kapi sanyoga. Shaka kapi sanyoga abhava or moola kapi sanyoga. Okay. Now here adhikarana is a moola avachcheda vriksha, not this vriksha. Moola avachchedena for moola kapi sanyoga sadhya bhava adhikarana is moola avachchedaka moolavachchedaka vriksha. The tree with the limiting adjunct as a moola, the root. Nirupita vritti is vrikshatvam. Vrittitva abhava avritti is avrittitva. There is no avrittitva here. Therefore, if the sadhetu does not fit, sadhetu does not fit, avrittitvam nasti. Therefore, there is a dosha. What is this dosha? Ativyapti. We have ativyapti dosha. We have ativyapti dosha. So, because kapi sanyoga bhava and moola avachchedaka vriksha vritti, they are in samana adhikarana. Kapi sanyoga bhava and moola avachchedaka sanyoga vritti, they are in samana adhikarana, same platform. Therefore, we have to add pratiyogi vyadhikarana as the adjective for adhikarana. So, we will have साधितावच्छेदक संबंधावच्छिन्न साधितावच्छेदक इतर धर्माणावच्छिन्न साधितावच्छेदक अवच्छिन्न प्रतियोगिताक अधिकरण निरूपित अधिकरण या प्रतियोगी व्यधिकरण तन्निरूपित अधिकरण या प्रतियोगी व्यधिकरण तन्निरूपित Tannirupita vrittitva bhava. That will be the definition. Yat pratiyogi vyadhikarana or pratiyogi anadhikarana, you can say pratiyogi anadhikarana. Yat pratiyogi anadhikarana साधितावच्छेदक संबंधावच्छिन्न साधितावच्छेदक इतर धर्माणावच्छिन्न साधितावच्छेदक अवच्छिन्न प्रतियोगिताक अधिकरण यत् प्रतियोगी अनधिकरण tan nirupita. So we'll have to say sadita avachedaka avachinna sambandha avachinna, then sadita avachedaka itara dharma anavachinna, sadita avachedaka avachinna. Okay, sadita avachedaka sambandha avachinna, sadita avachedaka itara dharma anavachinna, sadita avachedaka avachinna प्रतियोगिता का साध्याभाव अधिकरण यत् प्रतियोगी अनधिकरण. Vedikarana is anadhikarana. You can say Pratiyogyanadhikarana. Like that. Pratiyogyanadhikarana. Pratiyogi anadhikarana or Pratiyogyanadhikarana as one word. Pratiyogi anadhikarana tan nirupita vrittitva bhava. We are taking care of this portion now. We have seen sadhya bhava, adhikarana tan nirupita we are taking care of now. Okay? So the sambandha. Tan nirupita is with respect to the adhikarana. So the sambandha. We are taking care of that portion. Tan nirupita vrittitva bhava. Now in this case, kapi sanyoga, again take kapi sanyoga. Satya is kapi sanyoga. Satya is kapi sanyoga. Sadhya bhava kapi sanyoga bhava. Sadhya bhava kapi sanyoga bhava. Kapi sanyoga bhava, sadhya bhava, bhutala, tad adhikarana nirupita, tad adhikarana is bhutala, tad adhikarana is bhutala, and vrittitva is bhutalatva. Tanirupita vrittitva is bhutatva. Vrittitva bhava is in what? Kapi sanyoga bhava is vrittitva bhava etad vrikshatva. Therefore, in sadhetu there is samanvaya. If in sadhetu, we have already seen sadhetu lakshana ghatitatve sati, okay, aghatitatve sati avyapti dosha. In asadhetu, if it doesn't fit, it is okay. If it fits, then it is a ativyapti. Sadhetu, asadhetu, ghatita, aghatita. In sadhetu, if it fits, then okay. In asadhetu, if it fits, then it is okay. In sadhetu, if it does not fit, then there is a ativyapti dosha. If in asadhetu, if it fits in it, it is if it's sadhetu, it is avyapti dosha. If it is asadhetu, it is ativyapti dosha. Okay. Now we go to the next nyaya. This nyaya is called Vishishtam Shuddhat Natirichyate. Vishishtam Shuddhat Natirichyate. We have seen different nyayas. One is with respect to the Sadhya Bhava we saw. First, with respect to Sanyoga and Samavaya, there was a dosha. Therefore, we said Sambandha Avachina, Sadhita Avachika Sambandha Avachina. Then, Ubhaya Abhava, there was dosha. With respect to Ubhaya Abhava. Vanni, Gata, Ubhaya Abhava, there was dosha. So, we said Sadhita Avachedaka, Itra Dharma Anavachina. Okay? Now, still, Vannitva is there. Vannitva is not Itra Dharma Anavachina, but what kind of Vannitva? Vannitva with respect to Parvata, Vannitva with respect to Mahanasa. What kind of Vanni are we talking about? We define Parvatiya Vanni, but the definition also goes to Mahanasiya Vanni. Therefore, we said Avachedaka Avachinna. Sadhita Avachedaka Avachinna. Okay? Now, for this Ubhaya Bhava, we said Ekasatyapi Dvayam Nasti Nyaya. That is why I discussed this. Ekasatyapi Dvayam Nasti. For this Chalini Nyaya. Chalani Nyaya. Now, we have for Adhikarana Nirupita, we have first is Avyapya Vritti. Avyapya Vritti in this place. Second is this new Nyaya, which is a Vishishtam Shuddhat Shuddhat Natirichyate. Vishishtam Shuddhat Natirichyate is the Nyaya. Vishishta means adjectified. Adjective plus adjectified. Shuddha means only adjectified. So, this adjective plus adjectified cannot be greater than the adjective. See, we have Neela Ghata, black pot, and we have Ghata. This Neela Ghata cannot be beyond Ghata, because in Neela Ghata also we have Ghatatva, and in Shuddha Ghata also we have Ghatatva. Okay? Shuddha is Jati, Vishishta is Guna and Kriya. This is the difference. Vishishta is Guna or Kriya. Shuddha is Jati. Whatever we are talking about will be only in that Jati. It belongs to that Jati. So, Vishishtam Shuddhat Nati Dichyate. With this Nyaya, if we see, then there will be error. In what place? He is giving you a Hetu. This is Asad Hetu. Ghato Vishishta Sattavan Jatehe. Ghato Vishishta Sattavan Jatehe. Ghataha is Vishishta Sattavan because it is Jati. Because of Jati. Now here Sadhya is Vishishta Satta. Sadhya is Vishishta Satta. Sadhya Bhava, Vishishta Satta Bhava. Vishishta Satta Bhava. And Adhikarana Vishishta Satta Bhava is Vishishta Satta only. And Vishishta Satta Bhava and Vishishta Satta will be in Samavaya Sambandha. Vrittitva is in Samavaya. And Avritti in Jati. Asad Hetu, this is. In Asad Hetu, the Lakshana goes. Therefore, It is ativyapti. Therefore, it is ativyapti. We said asad hetu, if lakshana does not fit, it is okay. But if it fits, then it is ativyapti dosha. In sad hetu, if it fits, it is okay. If it does not fit, it is avyapti. In asad hetu, it should fit. It should not fit. If it fits, then it is ativyapti. It fits now. Jati. It fits. Therefore, we have ativyapti dosha. To remove this dosha, we have to say pratiyogita ka avachcheda ka avachinna. You have to say pratiyogita ka avachcheda ka avachinna for adhikarana. Adhikarana nirupita, that portion. So our definition will be साध्यता अवच्छेदक संबंध अवच्छिन्न, साध्यता अवच्छेदक इतर धर्म अवच्छिन्न, साध्यता अवच्छेदक अवच्छिन्न अधिकरण यत् प्रतियोगिता का अवच्छेदक अवच्छिन्न प्रतियोगी अनधिकरण यत्, see, till sadhya bhava we have already said. Now here यत् प्रतियोगी ताकावच्छेदक अवच्छिन्न, प्रतियोगिता का अवच्छेदक अवच्छिन्न. This is what we are adding now. प्रतियोगी ताकानधिकरणं प्रतियोगी, not प्रतियोगिता का, प्रतियोगी अवच्छेदक, प्रतियोगी अवच्छेदक अवच्छिन्न प्रतियोगी अनधिकरण प्रतियोगी अवच्छेदक अवच्छिन्न प्रतियोगी अनधिकरण. It's not प्रतियोगिता का, because साध्यभाव प्रतियोगिता का, here it will be प्रतियोगिता का साध्यभाव यत् प्रतियोगी अवच्छेदक अवच्छिन्न प्रतियोगी अनधिकरण तन निरूपित वृत्तित्व अभाव. So if this is the definition, then we have for this same asad hetu घटः सत्तावान विशिष्ट सत्तावान जाते हैं. For the same asad hetu we will have विशिष्ट सत्ता साध्या, विशिष्ट सत्ता अभाव is साध्या भाव, and that is in विशिष्ट सत्ता itself jati exists in that. See, for a previous Vishishta Satta we said previous, before adding Pratyogi Avachyadak Avachinna we said Vishishta Satta. Now we will say Vishishta Sattatva. Sadhya is Vishishta Sattatva, Sadhya Bhava is Vishishta Sattatva Abhava, Adhikarana is a Vishishta Satta. Same. Vishishta Sattatva and Vishishta Satta Abhava both will be Vishishta Sattatva Abhava and Vishishta Satta Abhava both will be in Vishishta Satta only. Now Vritti is a Vishishta Sattatva. Well, that Vritti will be of Vishishta Sattatva, Tanirupita Vritti, Adhikarana Nirupita Vritti. Vishishta Satta will be in a Jati. Avrutti Nasti. Therefore, Lakshana Samvaya. Okay? So this is how we see. We will go to the next level. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnavachyate Purnasya Purnamavaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.